Hey everybody, Thrift Store Hacker back again. And today I'm showing you my swamp cooler, or evaporative cooler, which helps people survive in the desert because it provides cold air and humidity. The working theory of the evaporative cooler has been around for a really long time. It's a lot more cost effective when you're running this instead of running an air conditioner. And this thing draws probably about half the wattage of my little box air conditioner that barely keeps one room in my little house here reasonably cool, and this will keep the house nice and cool, and it'll provide some humidity, so when the humidity's 8% outside, I'm not completely choking on dust in here. But let's see how it works. I'm going to take you outside here. And here we have the outside of the unit. This is one of the smaller units. You can get a lot bigger ones, but we don't have that much house for that. This one is almost more than the house needs. As you can see right here, there's a water line going into it, which that comes off of a spigot on the side of the house there. And then we'll pop this open, which this is a little bit heavier than normal because it's been running. Oh, look at that grossness. I'm going to have to clean all that out. It's just dust and stuff like that from the initial startup. I just ran it for its first 20 or 30 minutes, so now I can go in here with my shop vac and clean that all up. As you can see, there's a water reservoir here, which, it's about 2 inches deep. And you have a little float, and this float connects to a valve that goes to that water line, so when this gets low, it adds more water into the system. Now, the only two things you're going to see in here that really make it operate is one of these big circular fans that provides the circulation of air through it, and you have a pump. And then if you look from the exit on the pump here, coming up to the top, you have a splitter, which goes off and dumps water down the side of this mesh stuff here. I'm not quite sure what that is, like a straw or something. And then you have a little overflow here. If you don't set this right, it'll overflow this. That way it doesn't back up into the house. But that's all you have right there. I'm thinking maybe we can make one of these for a video. I think I have enough parts downstairs, and I can make a small one that's somewhat portable that you can put in a window, or maybe put in an RV or something. But it's a really interesting system. It's a very basic system. But that's it. I mean, you have a pump, you have a motor with a fan blade on it, and that's it. So I think I'm going to go down into the basement and try thinking up a little mini portable unit. And until next time, build stuff and have fun.